Hey there, gonna start with some of the paintings that are dry. This one is dry. Last time I showed it to you, it was a smidgen wet. The Arteza paints, again, dried, super shiny and smooth. And then this one, I just love. There. Look at those colors. So yeah, so I didn't know if it should be like this or like this, but I am really, really pleased with this one. And I haven't done a string pull like this in so long. Oh yeah, this was what it was. This was the one that kind of I modeled it after. And then this one is what I'm going to replicate today, even though I just did it on my last video. But I'm so excited by it that I'm going to try it on cradled wood on a bigger size, because this is a 5x7 canvas. Isn't that spectacular? So I'm going to try it on a 12x12 canvas. And I am going to add a little bit of brown gold to it. Why'd you get all blurry? Okay. Whew. All right. So it is Sunday for me. By the time you watch this, it will probably be Wednesday, maybe. So by the time you watch this, my baby will be out of the house and in college. So yeah. And I said I was going to wait on a dog, but I was again looking online this morning at doggies, rescue doggies. Oops. There's a cute one that I sent to emails to meet. It's a German Shepherd Rottweiler mix, which kind of sounds a little scary, but cutest friggin' dog I've ever seen. Oh my god, adorable. So, I'm 4 years old, which is always a really nice age, because they're past puppy, they're still playful, but they're somewhat chill. 4-year-old doggies, that's just a good age. Mine's 3. We've gotten dogs at all sorts of ages. Our first dog was 6 when we got her. Then we had a dog that was 2, a dog that was 3. And this one we were told was 2 or 3, but turns out from looking at her dental and stuff that she was only about 7 months old. So the one we have currently was our baby. But we didn't know it until I took her to my vet, because even though I got her from rescue and she had already been checked out and stuff, I took her to my vet just so that he would know her for when I had to take her in for a checkup and stuff. I wanted him to get to know her. You know, I'm no more crazy than any other dog parent. And Roger said it's only creepy if I name the dog after my son. Roger, the one who loves straws. So I'm not even going to say how I was. If it's a boy, I was naming him Roberto. And my son's name is Robert, but I'm pretty sure there's no underlying thing going on. I would be calling the dog Roby. I'm sure there's not a psychological issue going on at all there. So this is cradled wood, and I honestly have no recollection as to where I purchased it. It was either God, I'm trying to think where it could have been. It was either Amazon or guessing. Because those are usually the two that I order my wood from. And I did prime it, and I don't know if I primed it with gesso or with just like white paint primer. I don't know. But it was primed with one of those. And then I sanded it down a little bit. So this is same paint as last video. So just this is my black mix of a whatever. It's a bunch of different black paints all together. And then this was the pearl gold and copper plus the iridescent medium. Hopefully this can turn out as awesome as that. And this is Van Dyke brown and gold. So this air gun is on my Amazon list. Master airbrush. Start it away from your canvas. As I showed in yesterday's, I kind of start from the out in. So far so good. The key is getting it not necessarily symmetrical, but so it looks good. Which doesn't have to be symmetrical. open up. I'd like it to go up more. Does that one too? Center is just too. Needs something. It's always harder to reproduce something because then you have a vision in your mind of what you want it to look like. So when it's not exactly I was initially aiming for more negative space, but I made the puddle too large for that, so I do like it. I'm just looking at the color. I wonder if I probably should have maybe not used the brown, but yeah, I kind of like it. Stand away from it and look. Yeah, I like it. I do. And since this is on wood, I will be resining it. Very cool. And then there was the original. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.